Hello everyone. Now we can dive into the prototype of the RescuePaws detailedly now. First, this is the login page and this is the register page in which we can, for now, we can create a demo account for a user ashwint.scc@gmail.com. Okay, its name right. Its name is Ashwint. Its email address. Then user is it is three types: user, volunteer, and vet. Here I'm assigning him as a user. The password. Then the profile picture is optional. We can upload it later. Then I'm clicking agree. So we can check in the admin page whether the account has been created or not. So see here, the account has been created. First, before logging into admin account, we can verify whether that account has been created. .scc@gmail.com and their password. So I click enter. See, the account has been created for him. Okay, now we can log out and we can now go to the first admin page. If you see, this is the admin page where the admin will having all the access for the features, in which the only difference is in the volunteer page they have been having a feature called the volunteer desk, and for veterinary they will be having the vet desk. So we can see this the dashboard page. We can see the analytics, disease distribution, donation trends, and total users. As per here, the volunteers is 2, veterans is 1, 3, and the users is 2 now, and another admin is there. So totally 7 users now. So these are active 23 cases is now to be resolved by the veterinary doctors, and this is the service is currently active, the emergency service, so that it can be resolved by the volunteers as well as the veterinaries. Now we can first go to the AI disease detection feature. Here we can see that it's showing the running load PyTorch model. In this, the model has been imported in the module. See, the AI model is showing AI model is loaded. We can use a single image, or we also can use to upload as a multiple images. So we can now load one image here for Ringworm itself. We can take this image settings. So the main image here is, after uploading the image, we can see there is a location wedge. Either we can type the area like if we click enter, see it shows the Kartupakam and its coordinates. If you not want to give like place, and if you want to give the accurate place, means you can click on the pick on map, in which you can, by clicking here, you can show my location, means your current location. See, it is my current location now, so you can mark here. Like if I am marking here now, see, this is the approximate address here. So the symptom checklist is mainly since for me as a normal user who has been in the area, who wants to visible symptoms, they can fill this, but this is not necessary, right, for normal user to know how to fill this. So they can just upload this and run the AI analysis. if we see the image has been here, and like we can see the ringworm percentage is 100%. So here you're going to see the one case is created, hotspot mapping has been also done, and in the location, right? So here the additional observation is for if the people is feel like the dog is infected, they can post the images here, right? So they can be uploaded here, and it will be hotspotted in this hotspot mapping. Whereas the volunteers are wet who are nearby can go and either the volunteers can go to the nearby veterinary hospital or treat, or either the veterinary doctor can treat the dog who are nearby them. So this is the main aim of this. The another thing is, you can see in the analysis history, the ringworm is created here. The byte transmission we didn't create yet. We will create now. So first we will go and see the hotspot mapping, whether it's been created or not. See, these are the active cases. It's spotted in the map. We have been marking the Veera another something, right? So here there are already 14 cases here. Fungal infections. Yeah, we can see here already 3 cases is there now. If we click this, no here, ringworm, 100% moderate. It has been hotspot, so that the veterinary doctors or the volunteers can go and treat it. So either we can using the ADC detection, we can hotspot automatic hotspot here, or otherwise we can also create by our itself. Like reporting hotspot means we should create the live location. It will load, I think, sometime. Yeah, we can mark something here. Yeah, it would get the address, so we can report it manually. So if I report hotspot means, yeah, the hotspot is reported successfully. So if you see now, this is hotspot is showing, right? It has been created, you can see here. So this is the main feature of the hotspot. We have covered hotspot mapping and ADC detection in it. We can also filter it, right, based on the diseases in the map, and also the time range we can see here: last 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days. Okay. Now let us see the byte risk assessment. Here we can see the enter manually as like in disease detection, like pecan map, live location, and we can mark some place here. Yeah, it will be loaded, and just we can, for now we can as a user we can just fill these things, neutral or cautious, and backing way, alert yes up, mild tensed, normal, personal space preference prefers distance, mild parking, minus issues, yeah, it is alone, and rare incidents. We can see the result. It is 54 out of 100. It is high risk. So now if we see the analysis history, we can see the high risk has been added here. And if we see the hotspot mapping, I will remove all the filters now. Here we can see already I have been created on critical risk here. Now it is the place now I have marked. See here it shows the risk. So if the people who are going through this area, they have been cautious, so that it means more risk to cross this way, so they can be cautious before itself, right? So that's it. Then we can mark this again. Okay, then you can see this distribution here, total counts, the recent hotspot I have done here. And here we can see this. So now if we see here the total 37 hotspots here, then the virus we have been created is showing here, right? We can see here, and then all recent hotspots, report new hotspot, already I said. So these are the things in the hotspot mapping. I think it will be useful. So next thing is the main thing is the emergency SOS. So it's the main thing where it will created here using create new emergency SOS. Actually now it's there totally 3 SOS is active now. So we can see the 3 areas. So if we see here already there. So the admin and veterinary can assign the things to the volunteers. As per the now, I have been given only the access to the admin and so that they can assign the volunteers and the veterinaries. Like Aditya Divya are the volunteers and Gauri Shankar is the veterinary. So they can go to the. So if I click the assign, it will be go to their respected dashboard page notification, so they can be see it and they can resolve the problem by going there. Also, before assigning itself, we can see the button here, right? Create new emergency service. I will give creating a sample to understand it. So we can take an example like first I will mark the live location here, and this area, like we can see the location summary here. So we can see the severity level, high or critical. We can see the accident. I will marking accident dog. Number of dog is 1. I can describe the emergency. An accident had occurred in the area marked with heavy blood loss. So I can mark it as severe, not critical itself. So heavy blood loss, right? So if I want, I can if I there in the area means, so in the area of the accident means I can take the photo, right? So that we can upload it so that they can see it. So now if I create a service alert, we can see this. Yeah, and if we see that it have been created now, and we can see this, like, yeah, the critical thing is showing it, right? So if I create a SOS here, before assigning itself, all the users, like these 3 users, will be getting an email notification and SMS notification. So for example, see the mail came for me that there is a critical accident happened, location, open in maps, coordinates, and description, estimated dogs, all the things, right? Like that, they are also getting SMS since I am using lab now, and the respected users will be getting the SMS in the phone number. so that anyone who's nearby, they can go to their platform and accept it, so that even without assigning it, it will be showing there. Like some of, if like in the veterinary and volunteer desk, it shows like here like accept, so that here will be for admin it will be updated like it has been dispatched, like this, dispatched. So this is about the emergency service. When we go to volunteer and vet test, we can show how it has been accepted and how dispatched, resolved, and all. Now we can come to the awareness hub. Now I can train it by training. Okay, here it is the video library. It's common for users, volunteers, and also for veterinaries to know about the things like entire learning resources, commit knowledge about the street dogs things, like training, how to train. Like if you see the filter category, we can say train, health, first aid, adoption, community things, etc. So admin can create videos here like video title, YouTube URL, and category for beginners who can see the videos mainly, so that we can upload the video here. So it will be showing here. So other things like interactive guides we can see here. If you can start trading, take quiz, etc. And more things is coming like. And we can see here quizzes, campaigns, the current campaigns that are going on, so we can see here. You can also join the campaign if you want. And community question and answer you can also create here. And this is my progress. Since I have completed video by watching my video, the points have been increased here. So now comes the community feed. Here it's like a general post, like how the other users can post the real-time news and share their thoughts, views, like a general thing like comments, share, report. If you report the user, means it will go to admin, and admin can decide whether they can remove this post from this community or the deactivate user, etc. things. So if you create a new post, means as admin I create and like also improve image, and if we create post, means it will be showing here like this. Yeah, already I created a post here with the image, which you can see here. Then comes the adoption portal. Yeah, this adoption portal in which we can browse the dogs. Already there is 2 dogs which have been see here, Lucky and Lucky. Since I have created 2 times, I rejected and accepted one of the thing for a application that is submitted by a user. That is, the user will be shown here. Yeah, it is adopted by Divya. You can see here the dog is our user itself. So if we submit a dog, means before adoption, the admin can, it will be showing admin will be checking it whether the dog is really for adoption only, it is legal, the user who has been creating with the proof they can submit, so that admin can accept or reject, so that then only it will be showing in available, so that anyone in adoption portal can adopt a dog with their proof and the things, and they can submit it. So for a sample, we can create a submit a dog. So this adoption portal, we can, I think we can in volunteer test we can do our user, it will be so much better for you. So things I can also do here. Since I am admin, you can see the basic information I will be showing you. Here, submit for you can see. So now the donations page. Here you can see make donations for the active campaigns and the donation history. We can see Aditya has been First, the Safepaws General Fund of UPI method, we can see here. The active campaigns, make donation. If you want the for feeding schedule, vaccination tracking, for these things we can collect the funds, right, for the dogs welfare. So that things we can see your name, email, general fund, or things, amount you are spending, the message, and the payment method, card, net banking, wallet, and UPI. So we can complete donation by scanning the QR and it will be showing here. After you can also upload the things, right. Next, the contacts. Yeah, if you see the contacts page, we can see it's like mostly like the Instagram. We can see like how we can give the requests within the platform. The users, the volunteers, the vets, this in this platform they can find people here. Like if I search Divya means enter, I can see like connect with Divya. So like so that we can search people here itself. So we can make contacts with them so that the welfare of the stray dogs can be improved better with their coordination, right? So that if any volunteer can connect with the veterinaries and they can ask any, if they facing any stray dogs facing problem, they can contact their veterinaries. They can provide the suggestions or the treatment with the messages. Next we will seeing them. So you can also block things. That's the thing. Now this is the message place. This is like actually like the WhatsApp. Like if the Aditya is already a friend here, if we click the open, we can send the message there, right? Like hi Adi. We can also upload the images like JPG, PDF, anything. Like if I send the message, it will go like how the WhatsApp goes. If you want, we can do the selection mode and we can also delete the messages. Like tick if delete chat. Are you sure this will delete entire on the all message? Yes, it will get deleted. So that the message we sent also will be deleted for him. So the Adi, okay. So if you want another time you want to new chart, click start, it will again show here. I think it will be useful for the community people here to message or things like here. This is the profile page we can see here. It's a profile page. We can update the things. It's my activity, what I done recently. We can see here the settings. We can see preferences, privacy. Like we can see the privacy. See here, friends only, private. See, we see here, right, the contacts. If we search people, we can see some of restrictions we can give here. We cannot, right, that's why. So security, we can change the password to for authentication, and the danger zone is the delete account. If most often you are playing the Clash of Clans, other games we have missing, like if like confirm to like that, if we click delete, like type and enter and then delete my account, means our account will be deleted. And then there's the case management. We cannot see here, we will see it in the web test. It will be so much what to say, so much detail we can say that what's the real use of it. So this is the vaccination tracker. So this is the vaccination tracker. We can see, as per we can see the one campaign is finished, one campaign is we can see it is not fully completed on that day. It is showing like that. So in progress, right, like that. We can see the map view. Total 2 campaigns, 10 dogs vaccinated. Completion to only 4.3% efficacy because the second campaign been completed successfully, right? That's why. The active today remaining 60. The target should be completed. That's why. If you want to create a, you can see first of all the area where it is. If we click, like if we to red marks, right? this is one area and this one area it's showing, right? Like you can see the progress is 10 out of 50 completed, and in Ananagar tower it is progress is 0, and but it's still in progress like that. This vaccination tracker has been mainly for this rabies problem. We have been created this. Since the colorless, we can be updating it later. We can see the zone coverage. We can see it. That's the campaign list. Still in progress, right? If we want, we can assign volunteers. Choose options, Gauri, Aditya, Divya, and assign the things. And assign selected. We can choose Aditya and assign selected. One alternate is assigned. And you can update the progress. Dogs vaccinated, other things. And the view may have already seen QR code, and we can delete the campaign if it is not. If the campaign is tomorrow, means if we cancel, we can delete here. And we can see the analytics. Top performing campaigns is Tinagar. And you can create campaign with the help of the already I created. Either we can search the area and we enter, means it will show how it is shown, like the disease detection, like that. Or I have defaultly created some of the things like ADAR, basic in Chennai areas. So if we like, if I in ADAR it's showing like ADAR bridge, right? So if type ADAR bridge, enter. See, it is like a ADAR bridge is showing. See, so you can select it and create campaign. So it's like that. So vaccine type, we can get rabies, distemper, parvo, virus, combination DHPP, and other things. Campaign date, zone name, this is ADAR, right? ADAR bridge, so we can take the ADAR. Campaign date, time slots, target dogs, and other nodes here. And it is available campaigns. So if I create this campaign here, like ADAR, just I am creating now. Yeah, if we see, it is showing, see, some of the QR code, download QR code, it is now downloaded, create another campaign and campaign summary. Now we can see the feeding schedule, like how we can vaccination tracker, since the most of the dog without the proper food only, the most of the things like happening in that area, right? So we can so we have created a feeding schedule here, like add. We can mark the location, total volunteers, nodes, food requirements, like dry food, and then food quantity 10 kg, 3 volunteers, and like Ananagar. Create slot. If I'm just sample by creating this, you can see here. The Ananagar has been booked now. No one has been booked till now for this feeding schedule. So as a volunteer, as a vet, I can book this slot. By clicking this, I can see no one registered yet. So as admin, I can also book this slot. I can also do the work, right? So like this. So if book this slot means it will booked here and it will be showing here. My bookings is 1, available open for volunteers 2 feeding program total slots. Now we can see here. It's Gindi, Annanagar. It's a white color. It's not Annanagar and it's Gindi. It's out of 3 1 volunteers. As a admin, I can also do works like, so I assigned as a volunteers, and we can view details. Yeah, this it comes here, and we can also see the timeline lists. See the instead of J60 meet like find. So the things, now we can go to the timeline view and so Yeah, it is showing the data status partial, start at 6, 8, 10, location Anagar, capacity 1 of 3, time early morning, and these things. He will be updating more things here. And his order 6, booking is 2, so you can see the analytics here. So this for the feeding schedule, and it is impact analytics. So this is a total analysis of the page, like the platform here. We can see this is mainly for the admin only, not for the users, volunteers, or the vets. You can see this is how much is when generated. Plus emergency alert. We can see 4 alerts today. The case severity is moderate, is only high. Severe, medium, mild. Case distribution, if you see, Dermatitis ringworm is very high. The donation rate, since now we know donation is done, that's why it's showing like this. So you can see disease cases 27, emergency alert is 4 now, within vaccinations has been done, 500 donation has been made, 4 volunteers as per now, 2 community posts has been made, 2 adoption had been added in the platform, and the things. So we can say geographic distribution also. Locations. Vaccination by zone and other things. The performance metrics. We can see financial analytics. The campaign fundraising like this. Since the only 500 made, is showing the 100% how much made. It is done by Aditya, who have made this. Top 10 donors, since one donor only has been made, is showing like this. Then the user engagement, see the vet, admin 2, user 2, volunteer 2, like this. Recent activities, engagement, post, we can see likes, comments 3, and 2 likes and 2 posts here. So volunteer report, the completed, based on the volunteers, tasks and assignments, activists here participating, the vaccination tracker and video schedule, the volunteer report will be updated here. So then the reports, we can download. As a monthly summary, quarterly review, all the things. See, we can see here. Report preview, and we can also generate the report here. That's a easier PDF. And the main thing is now the admin panel. If you see this, we can see user management, total users now is there. We can also select the users who are there. Ashwin is the user, Adi is the volunteer, like this. We can also change the role for the particular time. So some of user can be assigned as a volunteer, and they can also become user then. We can update role, we can also deactivate user for some time. Like Adi, we can deactivate user for some time. If we see the tick has been taken. So we can also activate the user another time. Like this. And there's a content moderation. So some of them has posted my post as a reported, so I can approve or remove or warn the user. I can approve it. So the resources, we can see the unnamed campaign, the some of things we can be making updating here. So now no campaigns made here for the donation campaign, that's why. And so we can also add the food stocks here, so that they can be, when I create the campaign for the feeding schedule, I can the available things I can update here for the food. So this database size as per now, the API calls made that system uptime. Now we can see here the security. No suspicious activity has been found. Now some of them, when logging in, there has been 3 login attempts failed for some of the users, and we can see the admin, full system access, wait medical record and cases, volunteer task management, user basic features, and the audit logs. You can see who has been all the things, the logs has been updated here. The post approved, user activate, the login session, logout section, all will be shown here. Not only for admin. For admin, all will be showing user, volunteers. See, we can see one of the volunteer. You can see here. So these are the things. So that's it about the admin page. So now I'll be showing a volunteer page for you. Yeah, this is the volunteer page. We can see the same things here. Some of things upstream removed, since some of the access only given for the volunteers, right? That's why the same as hotspot by this is the thing, emergency access. We can see we can accept it, and we can also resolve the problem here. We can see dispatch this here after successfully taken the dog to the hospital and for treatment. You can show that problem is resolved here. So we can see it will be in the problem will be removed, so that it will be completed, resolved like this. Awareness about commit feed already seen and adoption portal. If you see here, I will submit a dog here for us basic information. Dog name is Leo, like mixed something. I will add here. Location city Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It's vaccinated, 6 months, male. An additional thing is not requirement. The photo we can add something like, I have just add a photo here, like this photo, and submit for review. In all the review things. Okay, for description we can add the thing something like the dog is for adoption. So we can submit for review, I think. Yeah, it has been submitted for application, so it's showing like application pending. Statistics, the adoption rate we can see here. Pending is 1, approval, like the things, my applications. There are some many applications yet. Okay, my application only once the admin has been accepted, it will show, I think, here. So we can go to admin and once come here. Yeah, we can see that our pending approval here. Yeah. Approve and publish. So if you browse stock, it will show available. You can tick apply to adapt talk. Yeah, we can. I can also see adoption here available. This. No, the statistics you can see available. This should. I want to update our application, so my application will be shown here, right? Now that's also things I want to update here. You're updating here later, so we can see. So apply to adopt here. So you will have another account how to apply adapt things like that. I will be showing you there. Then I will be showing you the volunteer disk now. Yeah, these are the things I said to the leaderboard things, right? That's one. Available tasks, submit work. No tasks assigned as per now. Submit work, upcoming campaigns. You can see my feeding slots, browse feeding slots. We can see I can book the slots. Then the task is assigned me for me, right? Since now data assigned task, since based on the score will be leaderboard will be shown here. Who has been doing first like that? So that things will be updating here. I can also see the active SOS also here. Like this thing I can accept here also. These things. These features are being created and will be showing in remote soon here. So then this is the warranty test. We can see the assigned task, available task, these things. If I get a volunteer, I think available task. Browse feeding slots. this slot. So my bookings you can see here. Yeah, now we can see the my task has been updated here. I can save the status. And if I see, I can see the save my task weekend. I can save the status or unassign me. Yeah, now we can see the overdue task is pending. Please prioritize this. I can say I can't save the status here. Pending or anything. It's in progress, completed things. And the available task. All tasks are currently assigned to my task is showing here. So based on upcoming campaign. So based on the things like upcoming campaign, my feeding slots, and the active servers and the things, the available task is shown and we should completing it. So next we can see the one of the user page to adapt the things like Ashwint. Like for adoption portal, I can click about apply to adopt, and I can give the phone number like something now. Address is Sarvarthi Nagar, house with yard, like apartment, and submit application. I am interested to adopt. Submit application. So it is submitted applications. It shows it's pending now. So now it will be going to admin, and you can accept, or if you accept this, the adoption will be created to 1 year. Like you can go to the art admin. So now you go to the admin page once. Second. And in the adoption portal, we can see the applications. Yeah, the manage applications, and we can accept or approve or reject and contact him regarding the things like with his phone number or the mail ID. If you think it will redirected to the mail ID things, so I can approve him. So the adopted to him is showing here the statistics to adopted, and here you can see Leo adopted by Ashwint. So this is the adoption portal we can see here. Then we see the volunteer page, admin page. So we can see the user page, list available things for them, make donations, contacts and messages as I already said. And we can see the adoption portal. We can see the donations, contacts as per no contacts here. He will be adding, and the profile page. We can log out. So the last is now is the veterinary page. So as you seen, all the things are same as per most of the things. So some of the access only differs in the adoption portal. Some of the emergency servers, the veterinary calls are assigned like we can they can also assign the things like with the DMLs, so the admin can see. And Aditya, Divya, other things. And other things are mostly same. This is the case management things. You can see the diseases are mostly there in active cases. We can search the case, the statistics, out the counts of the diseases, other things, resolved, severity distribution things, and disease trends, total this month and other things. So the veterinary doctor see the cases again, and they can also see the ringworm another case area analyzed by other things. So in veterinary test it's loading there. Yeah, like the first thing it's showing, like you can start the consultation, like analyzed by Aditya means he has uploaded the image, it seems like using ADC detection. So start consultation until like patient at assessment, like we can, the doctor will briefly discuss it. Since admin will be approving the admin account with the proper thing only, because if you go to a medical shop and give a prescription or giving a like a normal paper with medical uh, materials means they will not give, right? So like that, with the proper proof that they are veterinary doctors, then only the account will be created. So just I created something accessing treatment call like care instructions, the proxy like the amoxicillin and other things. I will complete the consultation here. So it's showing here. We can add also prescription, we can add, and you can update treatment also. If we see here like this, update treatment, or you can also mark as result also. So it will be pending my total cases in treatment and other things. This is unassigned case. So these are cases, some of things cannot be displaying my assigned cases, right? From this I can take the assigned to me itself. So that will be showing here in my active cases. Okay. Then prescription, now I didn't add any prescriptions as per now. It's emergency queue as I accept and dispatch, like the SOS I already said, right, that one. That accept and dispatch things. And my statistics. My reports will be showing. So if I go to the case management now, I can see resolve this one. As now I solved one thing, right, that one. Like that, active cases also will be showing the statistics. This is trends and other things. So I think mostly I covered my project, I think. So most of the thing will be updated soon and will be created as the and deployed in the cloud, and it will be a complete project and deployed for the stray dogs problem, and it will be resolved soon. And it also we are planning to deploy the project for the most of the people, for the volunteers and veterinaries who have been interested in it, for the nationally or globally, so that everyone can make use of them and we can solve the problem as much as possible. I want to show it's just like a map theme. So here we can see, right, in the hotspot mapping we can see the map, right? We can see the change to theme here, light or satellite, like this. For that purpose I had created this. That's it. Okay, thank you.